Hello everyone, my name is Vasvi from TrueWeight, and today I have a client whose name is Mr. Sharan Javalkar, who has enrolled with us for 7 months program. So hello Mr. Sharan Javalkar, how are you doing?
Hi everyone, I'm doing good, Vasvi. Thank you.
Tell us something about yourself, a small intro for our viewers.
I'm Sharan Javalkar. I'm currently working with TCS and I live in Hyderabad.
Tell us something about your TrueWeight journey so far.
So the journey with TrueWeight for me started almost like around 3 months before, but I joined 2 months before to TrueWeight. Actually, I'm a very foodie and I go through all the recipes in the YouTube and all, and suddenly I hit a video. It was in a YouTube. There was an ad. They were saying like, "Would you like to lose weight by eating more?" and all. So I thought like, okay, this sounds something interesting, and I saw the completely, and that stuck somewhere in my mind. And later on, when before 2 months, almost in the month of uh, March, around that time, when I was looking for a weight loss, and as it was my birthday, I was going to take some resolutions for the year. So
Great.
one resolution that I wanted to take was I turned 30 recently. So 30 is not a great age, and that's where I started to realize like my body is not cooperating me a lot like how it
Okay.
used to cooperate me the before. So I understood like, okay, my body is telling me something that I have to
Yeah.
change myself. And then I realized like, okay, I think the first step would be like, let's take a step and go towards weight loss. So
Okay.
I was going through multiple programs, and then somewhere in the corner of mind, the True Weight came into mind again. I downloaded the app. I was going through the testimonials and all, and then I felt like, okay, let's give it a try. And I booked a consultation. The way how the consultant, the senior consultant was seeing, he went through the program, he explained it. Me and my mom, we felt like, okay, we can give it a try. So that's when my journey with the TrueWeight has truly started. I joined almost like 2 months back, and I'm continuing with TrueWeight now.
So you're loving the program?
Yeah, I'm loving it a lot.
So what did you the what is that one thing? I mean, it could be multiple. So which you love in the true weight? What is that?
The best thing I like in TrueWeight is the encouragement you guys give to choose on nutrients than calories,
Yeah.
and the way you tell like eat small quantities for 5 to 6 times in a day, so that and you try to explain the science behind why you are giving a certain diet or something. That's one thing which connects me a lot, because I'm a kind of guy
Yeah.
who likes to listen to the reasoning and the logic behind anything that we do. I
Yeah.
always
Okay.
question each and every stupid rituals we do. So she used to say me like, you go and ask someone else. So, but here I don't need to ask all these kind of things. I get the science behind why we are doing it, and based on that, I'm able to understand that why we are doing it and what needs to be done, and that is helping me a lot. That is one thing I like in TrueWeight, that you guys encourage on the science behind the nutrition as well. And along with that, I'm a big foodie. I tend to eat anything that is visible to my eyes. So,
Okay.
and the variety that you guys give in the choice of foods is something that encourages me and is encouraging me to continue with the TrueWeight. So the
Okay.
variety is one thing. The science and the nutrition, the courses that you guys give us to go through are the ones that I like the most. And along with that, I cannot skip the part of the transformational videos and the regular follow up with the nutritionist, the dietitian, and even the doctor. The doctor follows up every month, and she will check on my health score. She will check about how my health is keeping up and how I'm able to cope up with the diet and all. I'm feeling any giddiness and all. So along with the doctor, even the dietitian, the regular follow-ups are the one other beautiful
Yes.
part I like it.
Yes. You have an amazing health score, right? That reflects in your weight loss as well, and I think you're gaining good health overall. So would you like to tell us something about your achievements in TrueWeight? What are your achievements? What did you learn? And what are the achievements which you're going to carry lifelong even after the program is over?
Before joining TrueWeight, I was almost like 98 kgs. I was hitting my peak, and all my friends were like saying like, we will celebrate when you hit 100.
Oh, wow.
So in a way that was used to be scared. It was scaring me. I was feeling like if I hit 100, I am going to get a heart attack. That's what the feeling I was having.
Amazing.
So I promised myself that I will not reach 100.
Hmm.
And then started with the program and all, and even I was telling the same thing to my coach and the people, like, I don't want to go there. I somehow want to control my what we say feelings towards the food, but I cannot restrict that also. Like, I told them everything in detail. So then they said like, you are in the right track, you should eat less,
Yes.
you
Yes.
should eat in the right quantity, not less. You should eat in the right quantity. Eating less is also something that is harmful for you. So
I do agree.
that's where these things kept on starting to me. And then slowly I started to enjoy the superfoods, and I started to slowly enjoy the way how nutrition is preserved in different foods, how the
Yes.
Mother Earth
Yes.
has the nutrition in different foods. That's making me to try different foods these days. So I'm really thankful to TrueWeight. They have introduced me to some other foods, or like a substitute of the foods which we take normally, like dosa. Instead of taking a dosa, I got millet dosa in the diet. I never tried millet dosa, and I'm really in love with millet dosa. Whenever I see the diet chart is having millet dosa, I will ask my mom, let's do millet dosa. And
That's amazing.
that dosa is one of my favorite food. And adai, I never tried adai before. Besan
Okay.
chilla. So these are some kinds of highly nutritious foods which are substitute for the foods which I love. And when I tried them, I really liked these new foods. They are like what to say, they are like a power up foods, or
Yes.
whatever we
Yes.
call, like it's like
Yeah.
an add-on I'm getting over there, so I can enjoy the taste, and on the same hand I can get the nutrition. So this part of the journey with TrueWeight has introduced me to new foods, and it inculcated some new habits in me. Like, I never used to drink like, whenever we say juice, always we go for a fruit juice, but I never
Yes.
thought of having vegetable juices in my diet. But when TrueWeight gave these vegetable juices, I was like very kind of not into
Hmm.
that at that
Hmm.
time, but like, yeah, it's part of that. I have to start with them.
Okay.
So when I started with the juices, uh, the vegetable juices are more equally tasty. They are equal to fruit juices. So I am really enjoying juices, salads,
Wow. So
and the
overall,
new
you
foods that
have
I'm trying, like bacon chilla,
okay.
all
So
these things.
so you have developed a good healthy eating habits. That's one of your achievement. Anything else apart from this?
Apart from this,
Lifestyle
leaving the food
modification like
aside,
sleeping on time, water intake, anything like this?
yeah, on that front, like, I used to consume almost like only 1 to 2 liters of water in a day,
Okay.
but now I'm able to consume around 5 to 6 liters of a water in a day, which is like the regular intake that we have to take.
Yeah.
So I was able to achieve it slowly with the small encouragement I was getting towards the program. And
Okay.
along with that, I never did meditation. My family used to say me to meditate a lot because of the kind of work I am in. I have to take a lot of stress.
Okay.
And because of stress, I used to get a lot of headache. In the evening, without a chai, I cannot manage my work. Morning one chai, evening one chai was
Acha,
my
it's
routine.
mandatory.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
from there, due to the meditation that I do, and due to the kind of food that I am taking right now, I'm able to sustain easily with the green tea, and
Okay.
I'm not getting headaches these days. And with the amount of weight that I have lost over the 2 months, I'm not getting these knee pains as well. Like,
Wow.
whenever I take stairs, I used to get certain amount of knee pain. Like, not for 1 or 2 stairs, but when I take it like almost like 4 to 5 stairs, I used to get some knee pain. But now I am not feeling that. I am not getting headaches. So these are the things which I can see physically. Apart from that, mentally I am like really not stressed that much right now. I really peaceful. Through mentally also I'm becoming bit fit
Better.
along with
So, okay, so to mentally and physically, you have achieved from both the front. I think you're not facing any knee issues. Like earlier, you used to have a knee pain, and stress level has gone down. You have developed a good, healthy habits like drinking water and eating good food. That's an amazing thing. I mean, it's so good to hear such things and about your achievements. So, any tip or any advice would you like to give to our viewers who are watching this video today? Any people who are looking for weight loss solution, anything you any advice would you like to give, Mr. Sharan?
definitely Vasvi. Throughout my experience with TrueWeight and few other things which I have did prior to TrueWeight, like even I tried certain diet charts, diet plans before TrueWeight also, and based on that experience I am having with my prior diet plans and with my current experience with TrueWeight, I would like to give few suggestions for people who are looking forward for weight loss. First thing is we have to understand that our body has multiple needs.
Yes.
The needs would be like, or we can call them as they call in True Weight, like there are multiple hungers that are there in our body. So
Yes.
we should satisfy all the hungers to keep the weight loss. Like following a strict diet is not going to help us, because that's what I did prior. When I was doing that diet and when I stopped that diet, I gained more weight. So
Okay.
I was not
Yeah.
listening to my body. I was just forcing it to do something which it is not comfortable with. So first thing is we need to understand the different kinds of hunger our body has. Like
Yes.
example will be hunger for water, hunger for variety, hunger for air. So these kind of things we have to understand, and we have to satisfy all these hungers. Then only our body will be happy, and in return it will reach to its the stage that it has to go in a normal
Yes.
way.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
one thing I will try. So always look at your body and try to understand what it needs. Sometimes our mind will play games with us. So don't listen to your mind, listen to your body and your heart. So that's one thing I will like to give as advice to people. And the second one is always go for nutritious food, because nutritions are the one that are going to change something in our body. So rather than counting carbs, calories, and all,
Yes.
always go for nutritious food, and always have variety in your food,
Yeah,
because
that's very
eating the
important. Yes.
day in day out will not going to help us.
Yeah.
So have variety, try different foods, and always see like what is the nutrition value you are going to get with that food than that of the calories that you are going to get. Always
Yes.
concentrate on nutrition, and always have fruits and salads. I know it's bit, whenever we heard the word salad it sounds very crazy, but there are many salads which we can make out which are tastier than the regular food.
Yes.
So
Yes. Right.
sauteed vegetables in olive oil is my favorite right now.
Oh
So
wow.
whenever I get a dish, I will try to have that in my menu.
That's amazing.
So always go for it. And last thing that I would like to tell for the people who are looking for weight loss is don't take stress over weight.
Right. That's
It's
that's
the
the point. That's exactly the right
yeah,
point.
weight, your weight is what you have and what is there. Accept it, and then try to think what you want to achieve. Don't take stress. Take steps slowly. It will take some time. It's not
Yes.
like it's going get down drastically. I am being feeding my body for almost like 30 years. I cannot expect to lose the weight that I have gained for 30 years in
I
30
know.
days.
Yeah. Yeah.
So don't take stress over the weight. Just be cool, eat right, and stay positive. Then
And implement the
automatically
suggestion given.
your
Probably
body.
that will help a lot.
True, true. Always listen to the coach and the dietitian.
Yeah. So thank you, Mr. Sharan Javalkar, for joining with us and giving us so many positive points. And like, you have discussed a lot about your weight loss journey. Thank you for joining with us, and I wish you all the best. May you continue gaining good health with us. Thank you. Thank you for joining.
Thank you. Thank you
Bye.
very much, Vasu.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.